But I learned from my other video, it's got side scoop, so it's actually a Trans Am. All right, so I'm walking through a private yard here in Tennessee. And how about my favorite year Comet? 1964 Mercury Comet, 4-door. I don't want to fall down the hill, so I can't really get a side shot. Then next to it's like a 72, I think, Torino GT. Or I'm sorry, Ranchero GT. A little rusty. Next to that's I think it's a 64 Ford Falcon, but it's got 289 badges. You can see it was someone's 80s hot rod. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh yeah, a little hopped up 289. Manual drum brakes, photograph. That's really cool. And then over here is a Ford Mustang. Not quite sure what year. It's definitely like a 64, 65, 66. Or maybe 67? Looks like it might be a 67. Yeah. And, ooh, Dodge truck. A lot of cool stuff here. And then a Buick. How about a Trans Am Firebird? Let's see. Oh, shaker car. That is cool. That is, and then we're going to walk over there to that AMX. I don't see an engine. Nope, no engine. But I learned from my other video, it's got side scoop, so it's actually a Trans Am. So that's neat. When I first saw that there was a 64 Mercury Comet sitting up on the hill, it definitely got my juices going because I absolutely love 1964 Comets. I think they just look great. Someday I will have one. This one was a 4-door and it was buried, and I was only traveling through, so I didn't have the opportunity to do anything with it. But it was really cool to see them. Then like that Torino, not Torino, Ranchero, and the totally 80s, 90s pink and yellow Falcon. But it did have that small block in it, that small block Ford, so that was really neat. The Mustang, still don't remember exactly what it was. I think it's a 67 but I never got a front end picture because of the stuff. And then coming around the corner and just seeing in this pile of stuff was the Trans Am. That was rather surprising, to say the least. I'm glad we did see it, though. Sad that the engine wasn't in it. But I know this is right in the ballpark of the ones that are becoming very desirable right now. So it's probably worth a $1. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from the yard in Tennessee. Jeff, the guy who is working with the owner to sell these cars, has said there's a lot of traffic going his way, so I hope good things come about of it. There's definitely a lot of cool cars in this lineup. The Trans Am and the Comet. Man, that Comet really was something I was tempted to buy. Unfortunately, with it being a 4-door and so far away, it just wasn't feasible, at least in the near future. But they all are available, so if you're interested, the owners or the guy's contact information is in the description below. So, and there's, I think, 2 or 3 more videos coming out. So that should be exciting. And just a little update on the green car and the blue car. I might be going to the muscle cars at the strip show in Las Vegas, but that's in March. Before that, I will be going to the Detroit Mopar Swamp Meet, which is, I think, February 5th. It's a Sunday. It's at the Macomb Community College Expo Center. After that, I'll be at the Indy Mopar Swap, which is like March 3rd and 4th, I think. Then I'll be at the Chicago Mopar Swap, which is just the weekend after. And then after that, I'll be at the muscle cars at the Strip. And I've actually been doing legitimate work on my green car. And you can see back there, I've got some stuff that just came in, and I'm going to hold on. My friend Jason made these little spacer brackets for me so I can actually fit in the green car. Because right now, with my gut, unfortunately, I can't fit in my own car. I know a 6-way seat would probably alleviate that issue, but I don't have a spare $800 around to put one in. So $10 spacer brackets is what I'm doing. Thank you, Jason and Laura and Rob and everyone from St. Louis for helping me out in this last adventure. And trust me, there's a lot of really good videos coming out of that, including my first drone video, which I think I'm going to add a little teaser right after this. So, of course, if you have any comments or questions, drop me a line in the either description, the comments below, or you can contact me through any of the social media that is in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe.